So you've created the test and you want to create a second test with extended time for a specific group of students. So I go to the assessment that I've published and go to Manage Assessment, Save As. And what this is doing is creating a copy of this test, and I might call it the same title but add extended time. The same deal, create gradebook entry, the same place you put your tests, save. And then this one, we're going to edit it, edit settings so that our time limit is a time and a half, double, or unlimited, whatever it is. You can change the number of times they are allowed to take this test. Let's see here. You can change the settings here to randomize questions and the answers in multiple choice questions, just like in the first test. And then you save it. But for this one, so students won't be able to access the extended time test, what you want to do is when you publish it, so when you publish it, instead of setting it to any time or the time frame, you click on restricted access, and then same thing, create a gradebook entry in the same place you put the other test. And if you set it in a location on your page, you might want to put this one next to it. If you don't put this on a page, then I wouldn't put this one on the page either, just so that it matches your other tests. And finish, and then we're going to add a password for taking the test. Whatever the password is, maybe extension and show, make sure you spelled it correctly, that works. And the password you can set to work for a specific window of time here. You can set it to the same day, so let's say I want it tomorrow and I want it for 8 to, let's say 9:30 or 9, the first block of the day. So save, and if you put a password for taking, you have to put a password for reviewing. So let's say review, show, says review, and that will be the next class period, which will be the same, which will be 9 or 8, yes, 8 to 9. So that way when they see my published tests, our published tests, the majority of the class is going to take the regular one, and then your specific group of students will take the test version with the extended amount of time. And only they get the password to take the test. Or what I would do is give the test password to the teacher supervising that particular group of students.